Mastering Everyday English. Cut in line, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, cut in line. This expression is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage is key for English learners. So, let's get started. Cut in line is an idiomatic expression used to describe a person who enters a queue or line out of turn without waiting for their proper place. This action is generally considered rude and unfair to others who have been waiting. The phrase has its roots in the visual act of someone physically inserting themselves into a line of people, thereby cutting through the order. Understanding the visual imagery behind the phrase can help remember its meaning and usage. Let's look at some examples. 1. I was waiting for my coffee when someone just cut in line in front of me. Here, it's used to describe an unfair act in a queue. 2. Please don't cut in line. Let's wait for our turn. This is a request to respect the queue order. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, jump the queue, or skip the line. These mean the same thing and are used interchangeably in different English-speaking regions. How do you respond if someone cuts in line? You can politely ask them to respect the queue order. Excuse me, the end of the line is over there. I believe we're all waiting in line here. That's all for our exploration of cut in line. Remember, this phrase is all about the order in queues and respecting that order. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using this common English phrase. See you in the next one.